Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will learn nutrition in plants. It is the example of autotrophic mode of nutrition. We discussed earlier that autotrophic mode of nutrition is that the nutrition obtained by autotrophs. Means कि autotrophs जो अपना खुद का खाना बनाते हैं are the example of autotrophic mode of nutrition. So best example is of plants. Now we all know that कि plants खाना कैसे बनाते हैं, by which process? तो by photosynthesis process. How this process is done? तो plants with the help of carbon dioxide and water make their food in the presence of light, sunlight, air and water. So here we will see in the reaction form that 6CO2 plus 12H2O will give in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. We get glucose, that is C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2 in the gaseous state. This is carbon dioxide, water. The product obtained is glucose, which is also called carbohydrate in plants. This is water and oxygen in gaseous state. So from this equation we clearly know that the raw material for making food for plants, कौन से है raw materials plants के लिए? तो carbon dioxide and water. So carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they form glucose, that is carbohydrate, water and oxygen. Now here the glucose, this carbohydrate is utilized by the plants for obtaining energy. अब plants को जब ये carbohydrate मिल जाता है, ग्लूकोज मिल जाता है, तो क्या होता है कि उनको जितना चाहिए उतना वो यूटिलाइज कर लेंगे और बाकी जो बचा है ग्लूकोज दे विल कीप इट फॉर रिजर्व फॉर फर्दर यूज. सो carbohydrate is stored, extra carbohydrate is stored for further use. Then three events are taking place during this photosynthesis process. The first one is absorption. What does here plants absorb? The plants absorb light energy, sunlight from sun. After absorption, the second event is conversion. Now this light energy absorbed is then converted into chemical energy. The sunlight energy obtained from sun is absorbed first and then it is converted into chemical energy. And one more thing happens, that water molecules are splitted into hydrogen and oxygen. And the last step, last event taking place is reduction. The carbon dioxide obtained is reduced to carbohydrates. Three main events are absorption of light energy. The absorbed sunlight energy is then converted to chemical energy. It also converts water molecules, that is into hydrogen and oxygen. And the last reduction takes place of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Then the conditions necessary for the photosynthesis. Which are the conditions necessary for the photosynthesis process? So chlorophyll must be present and sunlight must be obtained. The raw materials required for photosynthesis processes are, we already know that carbon dioxide, water and minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus and all that things. So these are the things which are, this is the process done while for plants to obtain nutrition. Hence you can see that inorganic materials are used to prepare their food. Hence they are in autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now we will be learning opening and closing of stomata. Okay, see, you can see here the figure of opening and closing of stomata. Figure A is of open stomata and B is of closed stomata. The guard cells are there, stomatal pores and chloroplast is seen. Okay, now what is guard cells? The guard cells are bean shaped that frame the stomatal opening. Stomatal opening को वो frame करके रखते हैं. They contain chloroplast and have cell walls. Now the opening and closing of stomata is very important event in the process of photosynthesis. गैसियस एक्सचेंज के साथ साथ वाटर लॉस भी होता है. जब गैस एक्सचेंज होते हैं प्लांट लीव्स के थ्रू स्टोमेटा के थ्रू, तो क्या होता है कि उनके साथ लॉस ऑफ वाटर इज़ ऑल्सो डन. लॉस ऑफ वाटर को टर्म दिया गया है ट्रांसपीरेशन, विच यू हैव स्टडी नाउ. तो क्या होता है कि कभी कभी प्लांट्स को वाटर लॉस नहीं होने देना है, लेकिन गैस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को अंदर नहीं आने देना है. तो व्हाट हैपन्स कि दिस ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा हेल्प्स इन इट. प्लांट्स क्लोज द स्टोमेटा व्हेन दे डू नॉट नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वांट टू कंजर्व वाटर. यानी जब प्लांट्स को कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नहीं चाहिए तो वो लोग क्या करेंगे, स्टोमेटास को क्लोज कर देंगे ताकि लॉस ऑफ वाटर इज ऑल्सो नॉट डन. नाउ opening and closing of stomata is caused by the change in turgidity of guard cells. Turgidity of guard cells means guard cells swollen हो जाना यानी सूज जाना. You can see in figure A and figure B. Figure A में they are turgid and in figure B they are shrinked. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, अब plant cell is said to be turgid when it is fully inflated with water due to high sugar content in it. अब क्या है कि यहाँ पे आप ए फिगर में देख सकते हो कि दे आर टर्जिड, यानी इसके अंदर क्या है कि इट इज़ इन्फ्लेटेड ऑफ वाटर, यानी पानी से भरा हुआ है और हाईली शुगर कंटेंट है उसके अंदर. व्हेन गार्ड सेल्स आर टर्जिड स्टोमेटल पोर ओपन, यानी जब ये गार्ड सेल्स टर्जिड है यानी उसके स्टोमेटल पोर जो है वो दे विल बी ओपन. एंड व्हेन गार्ड सेल लॉस वाटर द स्टोमेटल पोर क्लोजेज, यानी जब पानी ख़त्म हो जाएगा, बाहर निकल जाएगा, तब द स्टोमेटल पोर्स विल बी क्लोज. दिस इज द process of opening and closing of stomata. Okay, moving forward, the next example is of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We will see the example of nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular and omnivore organisms. We have learned that omnivores are included. Omnivore takes nutrition by the mode of holozoic mode of nutrition. In holozoic mode of nutrition, complex food molecules are taken inside the body and then broken down into the simpler and soluble molecules. So the same thing is done by amoeba also, as it is omnivore. Now we can see in the figure that 4 steps are included in the nutrition in amoeba. The first step is of ingestion. You can see that in the first A figure, amoeba has pseudopodia, that is finger-like projections, which engulfs the food inside its body. वो क्या करते हैं pseudopodia, वो अपने finger-like projections जो है उसके, that it covers the food inside its body. Now the figure B is of digestion process. अब जो pseudopodia ने food को cover करके रखा है, तो it forms a food vacuole which you can see in the figure. ये फूड वैक्यूल क्रिएट होने के बाद क्या होता है, डाइजेशन प्रोसेस इज स्टार्टेड. दैट मीन्स ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड इनटू द सिंपल एंड सॉल्युबल मॉलिक्यूल्स. Then the next step, that is third step, is of absorption. The required nutrition is absorbed by the amoeba by with the help of cytoplasm, and the remaining undigested food is thrown outside the body of the amoeba by egestion process. It ruptures suddenly, यानी वो कभी भी जब कहीं कोई भी जगह, it ruptures out, that means it throws out the undigested food. These all are the four stages of nutrition in amoeba.